Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, February the 18th, 2021. We have here the last puzzle, a Tectonic, aka Suguru in Japanese, and it's a 4-star Sudoku. And this 4 stars puzzle will be number 2350. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits, so I have an indication of the difficulty level. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Wow, could be a hard one. Alright, so let's get started. I have here two numbers left, 1, 4, 5. The 2 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes first. Okay, my first strategy is to find a single box or boxes. I see here single boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. Dual boxes, I see here dual box. Dual box 1 or 2. I do not know in which order. So 1 or 2. Do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. Here, triple box. That means those two boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And then we need to recognize some figures or shapes. For example, the L shape. We have an L shape here. Here also an L shape. The L shape. That means that this box has the same number as that box. This box is the same number as that box. Yes. Here also, 1 is the same number as that box. This should be also a 1. Okay, do we have more L shape? Yeah, 3 is L shape with 5 boxes. If there are 4 boxes, then this box should be a 5. But now we have 5 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5. That means that this box is the same as that box, so this should be a 3. Alright, then the following shape, T shape. Yeah, this box is the same as that box. This box is the same as that box. So this should be a 1, and this should be a 2. Okay. And this kind of shape, this box is the same as that box. So this should be in 1. Okay. Do we have more? No. We have a Z construction. This box is the same as that box. This box is the same as that box. Then this box, this kind of shape, this box is the same as that box, so this should be a 1. Do we have more? No. This kind of shape. This box is the same as that box. Okay. So now we have two missing numbers, the 5 and the 3. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, the 3 goes there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. It's the same number as that box, so two numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, the 4 goes there. Two numbers left, the 3 and the 4. I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be there and the 4 goes here. This we have here 1, 2, 3, 5. This box should be a 4. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5, yes, this should be a 4. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be there. Two boxes left, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Two boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then those two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we need a 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. That box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Two boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 3, 5, 2, 4. Alright. This box should be a 4. Because it cannot be 3 or a 5. I need a 3 or 5 in one of those two boxes. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. So one digit left should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. It's connected with that box. This should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 5. This box cannot be 3 or 5 because I need 3 or 5 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 3 or 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 1. So one digit left should be a 2. The 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. 1, 2 or 3 here. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be there. 2, 3, 1, 4. Alright. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1, 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Oh, apologies. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 3. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 5, cannot be a 3, but can also not be a 2, cannot be a 1 or 3. Should be a 4. Those two boxes. Look, cannot be a 1 or 3. This box, it's connected with that box. 1 or 3. Cannot be a 2. It's connected with that box. Cannot be a 5. So one digit left. This should be the 4. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 4. How about 1, 2. Okay. This box cannot be 2 or 3. Because I need 2 or 3 in one of those two boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. So one box left for the 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be also a 1. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2 and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left, a 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2. The 3 and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. 3 and a 5 we have here. We see now a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Then this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Two boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Two boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. All right, great. Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.